The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now there's reports out there about a chaotic scene at the graveside of the late reggae girl that was stabbed to death at R3D in St. Andrew, Jamaica in late October of 2019. The chaos that said to have happened escalated into an altercation between persons at the funeral proceeding of the late reggae girl. Now, this said to have happened on the 22nd of December 2019 at the place that is known as Meadowrest in St. Catherine, Jamaica. It is said that stones had been thrown and shots had been fired, and it is said that there was arguments about the size of the coffin and the grave. Now viewers and subscribers, I have videos that is said to be of the incident or the whole scene of what had happened, you know, like pieces of videos that I'm going to put together to show you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a better understanding as to what had happened. And I also have pieces of audios that I'm going to put together of someone, and that person is explaining what had happened. Now viewers and subscribers, I'm about to show you these videos right about now, but before I show you these videos that I'm going to put together and show you, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
Oi, fix it good enough. Oi, fix it good enough, cause I'm boxing in face in the boy. Fix it good enough, not tell the pussy. Not tell her, yeah?
Yo, I'm fast the ball, man. Here, come keep this going on this one, yeah?
And them are going out too. Boy, I get boxing in face, man.
They might act like they have gone, actually. They might close shot, they have gone, actually.
Yeah, police gun that way.
Police jump over there.
Alright viewers and subscribers, so there you have it. Pieces of videos that shows of what said to have happened at Meadowrest in St. Catherine, Jamaica. Now I'm going to play the pieces of audios put together of someone trying to explain as to what had happened at the funeral proceeding. Alright? Take a listen and observe.
Either the casket was too big or the hole was too small. One of the two. So we had problems getting it down. And then we had to wait. So we weren't getting sufficient words. The undertaker couldn't do nothing. So we were trying to take off the handles to ensure that it fit in. There were some throwing words between the undertakers and some person about whose fault it was and why the hole was so small. And that argument escalated into pushing and fight ensued. And then Rowan started throwing. Then after the pushing, we saw some men coming with stones and just throwing stones. And then it was an entire community to start coming and throwing stones and all of these things. And they locked the gate, they couldn't come in. They threw stones and machete to chop one of the windows out and break the glass. So, okay, so they locked the gate and because another funeral started to get disturbed now because they were throwing stones all over. As I said, they were coming from all different angles. Some persons they were throwing back. So, because they were just throwing at the funeral proceeding. They weren't even, looking at, there are women, there are kids, there's so many persons there. Apparently, I wasn't close by, but apparently, I heard shots fired. I couldn't tell you who, because I was focusing on ensuring that the procedure was completed. It got worse because after we put it down, and there were one of the undertakers from Meadowrest who were assisting us in covering the hole and everything. And then there was just some men coming throwing stones at us, with stones and machetes. So he just ran away, and then there was some cement that was mixed. So I must give credit to some females from water support team who assisted them so that we spread the cement and covered it properly.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, there you have it. You don't know me, Dancehall, me only there, so to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what go on. And you can also let me know what you think about what you have saw in these videos and what you heard in the pieces of audios as well. Alright, yeah. So until the next time, my name is Dancehall. Uno big up on yourself.